Based on what we have just seen, we can compare it to a more familiar layout, that of Microsoft Azure. Starting at the bottom, both platforms have the components to build our infrastructure, like VMs and storage. These are referred to as resources on both the Azure platform and GCP. The next level up is the project level, where we gather the project-related resources, and we call these elements projects in GCP. But you may be more familiar with the term resource groups. Both folders in GCP and subscriptions in Azure allow the owner to manage the cost incurred from each team or department. GCP also allows for billing at the project level. Finally, the top level helps to define the compliance and policy for the owner's subscriptions. This is referred to as the organization node in GCP and management groups in Azure. The key GCP resource differentiators are multiple billing accounts, or billings grouped by projects. With GCP, you have the flexibility to have many billing accounts per GCP account, whereas you need one billing account per Azure account. GCP can roll up billing by project, whereas Azure rolls up billing by subscriptions. You can apply policies in GCP at the account, org, folder, or project level. In Azure, policies can be applied at the management groups, subscriptions, and resource groups level. Account admins can be Google users or groups in GCP. In Azure, you use AD tenants with groups and roles for account admins. GCP accounts can have a Gmail user or G Suite super user as an admin. Azure requires its own root user to administer the account.